a rare and prestigious property nestled in one of the most exclusive locations on the French Riviera. Offering elegance, privacy, and grandeur, this remarkable domain embodies timeless luxury living. Just 4 miles inland from the glittering bustle of Cannes, this impeccably restored Provençal stone chateau is the kind of French Riviera fantasy that makes you seriously consider taking up oil painting, or at the very least, professional lounging. Inspired by Provençal and Italianate gardens, the gardens were designed by the owner, working with the renowned French landscape architect Jean Mougins to create a blend of natural and formal symmetry that changes color with the seasons. For architecture enthusiasts, the home's interiors serve as a brilliant masterclass in period restoration and tactile luxury. Step through the grand reception hall and you are immediately grounded by the cool touch of authentic 18th century burgundy limestone floors. The principal reception and formal dining rooms are anchored by magnificent open stone fireplaces from the same era. A professional-grade gourmet kitchen and an expansive subterranean wine cellar stand ready to fuel lavish summer soirees. Upstairs, the primary suite commands the first floor. French doors push open onto a private terrace, offering sweeping distant views of the aquamarine Mediterranean Sea. Yet the true architectural genius of Manoir de Pigranel is its seamless transition to spectacular outdoor living. The chateau spills out onto a colossal stone terrace overlooking 27 acres of fairy tale grounds. Framed by soaring cypress trees and boasting dramatic vistas of the Massif de l'Esterel Mountains, the estate ultimately revolves around a breathtaking swimming pool. Exploring your own backyard is an adventure in itself. Navigating through blooming rose bushes, fragrant lavender fields, immaculate topiary, babbling water features, and a grove of 350 Niçois olive trees practically requires a map and a packed lunch. Manoir de Pigranel isn't just an architectural marvel. It is an invitation to live artfully, effortlessly blending 18th century pedigree with sun-drenched Mediterranean joy.